Hi, good day. This is Learn Japanese with AGB Production, and in these videos and upcoming videos, we will try to learn the Japanese language. And I am not an expert. I will learn the sa- at the same pace as yours, and every video I will make is that I just learned it. So if you're looking for a professional teacher, that's not me. I am far from that, but I'll try to explain to you the things I learned. So this is our episode 0, and we this is not the first lesson. We will just introduce you to the book that we will use in this upcoming videos. So the book is titled Japanese from Zero, Book 1, and I do not own any contents of this book, and I am not here to plagiarize it, but I am here to promote it because I heard a lot of good things about this book. So I'll also want to try to learn Japanese through this book, and I hope me and you, whoever you are watching over there in your comfort space, is gonna learn with me using this book. Who are the authors of this book? And surprisingly, the authors are a couple, a husband and wife. They have decades of Japanese teaching experiences. So they are George Trombley and Yukari Takinaka. I know I didn't say her name right, but George Trombley, he is a interpreter in big companies, technical, medical, and entertainment. With his wife, they co-authored this book that we will be using. This is Yukari. Please don't judge me with my choice of photos because I can't find decent photos of them. So I'm really sorry, but they are the owners, the authors of this book. So thanks to them, we have this great source. And Japanese from Zero website, they have their own website wherein there's this pre tutorials, I guess, and you can also sign up, which is, we need to learn from the experts. They have decades of experience in the language, so they're the best. Japanese from Zero YouTube, they upload regularly. So as you can see in their banner, the book that we are gonna use is a series of books, and hopefully we can create videos until the end. I hope you visit their YouTube as well because they share and teach great Japanese lessons. And the other book information is this book is published in 2014, so this might sound be outdated, but you do you. If you wanna learn through a published book in 2014 or find newer sources, it's yours choice naman. It's your choice. And lastly, just wanna clarify that I don't own the book. I will also include other links or pictures while discussing lessons from the book. And I don't wanna plagiarize. I just wanna share you how good the book is and what are the things that we are gonna learn. And I hope that I can learn and I can teach you the Japanese language. And I am no expert, so if you're looking for an expert teacher, mm, I am far from that. And please bear with my English because English isn't my first language, and I'm just hitting a lot of birds in one stone here, like learning Japanese, improving my communication skills, and improving my teaching skills and yapping skills, of course. So, yeah, that's all for this episode 0. Once again, this is Learn Japanese with AJB Production. Thank you.